What's going on, everyone? I'm Andrew with Camper Kingdom in Meridian, Mississippi, and today we're going to be viewing this 2022 Keystone Avalanche Model 390DS. DS stands for dual suite, so you're going to have a king in the front, a queen bed in the back. But judging from the size of these windows, you could possibly look at this as a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath. I'll let you guys decide upon that. And right now I've got all the slides closed in to show you what it looks like while going down the road, as well to tell you, without letting the slides out, you will have room to access your refrigerator and both of the bathrooms on this coach. But we're going to start on the outside of the unit, going over the different weights, the specs, and dimensions before heading inside. So if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Hit that subscribe button down below, and let's get started. Coming at you 43 feet in length with 4 total slides, this is 2022 Keystone Avalanche Model 390DS. DS stands for dual suite, so you're going to have a king bed in the front, a queen bed in the back, 2 full baths, as well as one enormous loft bed area, which some people will look at as though as a 3-bedroom, 2 full baths. I'm curious to know what you guys think once I get inside and show you this loft bed. Would you consider this a 3-bedroom? Dry weight as this model currently sits at 14,420 pounds with a gross vehicle weight rating of 16,500 pounds. And speaking of weight, king pin weight on this model, 2,740 pounds, so a little bit on the heavier side. This unit does sit on a 100-inch wide body construction, which is leveled from a 6-point hydraulic leveling system, and there's a shot of those 12-inch pads on the front of the leveling system there. All the controls to level the hydraulic system are within direct line of sight of the kingpin. That way when you're operating this, you can watch this raise and lower from the bed of your truck. Some models will either put this on the front or maybe even inside of the pass-through storage. Water management on this system, all the water lines come up through here, connecting to the city water connection, as well as your black tank flush. Some of the pull handles there as well, and that accordion style hose is the outdoor shower, hot and cold water. 12-gallon gas or electric hot water heater, and both of the propane bottles are going to be found right over here as well. That way you're not bouncing back and forth on each side of the coach attempting to change out those bottles. Good shot of the front storage compartment, and if you did order this with the generator, that's where that generator would go, and that's the hydraulic reservoir there. Coming around to the main side of the coach, you're going to have 2 awnings, 16-foot and 14-foot. These are white in color, and there is an LED light underneath both of these. They're also white. Hope you guys can get a good idea what that looks like there. Frameless windows all the way throughout the coach, and you can upgrade these windows to thermal pane windows. If you did do that though, the window, you lose the frameless look and you go back to the traditional style frame, more like that. Nice big entry door, a lot wider with the friction hinge. That way you're not worried about that door swinging back, causing damage to the side of your camper. Solid step entry steps. These do flip up and inside the coach when you're not using them. Nicer big grab handle with the drop down there. And check out all the exterior storage. Heated underbelly, and there's a good shot of some of the construction on the model. And they achieve all that storage space again by having this nice big drop frame construction. Coming back towards the back, a good shot of those frameless windows and that enormous loft bed area. Possibly the best view you're going to have if you're backed into a lake is to be in that loft bed with all these windows that just wrap all the way around. All of your guests are going to have their own entrance from the outside. 50-amp power cord connections back here on the back. You're still going to have the friction hinge. Blindside camera prep, that's what that is up there. So if you're thinking of possibly building a shed for this coach, you're going to need about a 14-foot door. To the highest point up there, you're looking at a ceiling height of right at 13 feet, 4 inches. 4 total slides, and 2 of the slides are electric motors. The bigger 2 slides are going to be hydraulic. This coach has 2 different sewer connections. One back here for this private second bath, and the pull handles are there on that one. And coming around to the front, that's going to be the second sewer connection for the bathroom up in the gooseneck area, and all the controls to pull this one are again inside of this water management area here. Also forgot to point out, pre-equipped from the factory with a 200-watt solar panel on the roof. Something new that they're doing this year, but the batteries are not provided, something additional, but we do provide those here at Camper Kingdom. Here is our 390DS, 4 total slides with 2 opposing slides here in the main entertainment area, open to get up nicely for you to entertain all your guests. However, I want to kind of go ahead and get to the meat and potatoes of this thing. Everybody's probably curious what this enormous loft bed in the back looks like. So I just went ahead and broke out my tape measure to give you guys an exact measurement on this thing. From the back wall to right here of 9 feet, 100 inches wide, or actually 97 considering the construction of the walls, with a ceiling height inside here of 33.5 inches. And I said in the beginning, this is possibly the best view if you were backed into a lake, just with all of this enormous amount of room. Blackout shades all the way throughout this area, and these are not breeze windows. These are an emergency exit window. They do open up, but I don't recommend just leaving them open. 2 Coleman Mach whisper quiet air conditioners, and this is a perfect time to let you go ahead and check out the sound. You can't even hear it. It's just a slight hum, and you are directly underneath that unit right now as well. 3 teddy bear mattresses, and you do have room for a TV connection right over there with a little shelf, and check out the railing. One thing they did different this year is finally add a second grab handle to assist bigger guys like myself with getting back down into this living room. Now that we're back down from the loft bed area, 2 opposing slides in the living room, opening it up nicely, providing you with about 16 feet of move-about space. Slide box height of 6'10" with blackout shades all the way throughout, and they've even added the valance on both sides of the window to help block out some of that natural sunlight coming through. Legless table with 4 chairs, which is really nice when you're a taller guy. You're not going to hit your knees on some of those tables. You have the added leaflet with additional storage. No carpet anywhere throughout. This is a seamed linoleum with a flush mounted slide there. Thomas Paine Collection furniture. These are theater seats. These do have the heated and massage option as well, with a built-in USB charger there. Heated option as well as the massage feature. Additional storage provided in there as well. Breeze windows. These are breeze windows. Let me go ahead and open this up and show you. Even though they're frameless windows, you can still open these up, providing a nice breeze throughout the unit. Coming right around to the kitchen island, solid surface countertops in the kitchen area, 60/40 split stainless steel sink with a high-rise faucet there. And they even give you this added pull-out container to store all of your trash there. 4 additional pull-out drawers. Coffee prep station with solid surface countertops continued over glass accent on some of those higher cabinets up there. And I'm 6'2", and just to give you an idea, you will possibly need a a shelf to reach that higher shelving up there. Stainless steel appliances all the way throughout. 16 cubic foot all electric refrigerator, and that does work off the vehicle power while going down the road. Insignia microwave, Furrion oven with a matching drawer on the bottom. All electric fireplace producing around 5,000 BTUs of electric heat, but if you don't camp in the winter, you can turn the heat off and just utilize some of the lights. Jensen soundbar with zones A, B, and C for outside speakers inside, as well as a Jensen 50-inch screen TV there as well. Before heading back to the guest bedroom, I want to point out this drop frame style construction, dropping down about 10 to 12 inches, but they've also done so here, preventing you from hitting your head when walking through. 60 by 80 queen size bed with additional storage underneath, with its own private full bath in the back. Breeze windows on both sides, and they've added the valance sill again with a raised headboard. And here's a good shot of some of this additional storage found under this 60 by 80 queen size bed. 110 outlets on both sides of the bed as well, and you do have a little shelf as well if you happen to have a CPAP machine or just need additional shelving as well. At the foot of the bed, I want to go ahead and point out again, solid wood cabinet doors and drawers, and just additional storage with a pretty cool little shoe garage down there as well. Just a place for you to take all of your shoes, kick them off, kicking them out of the way. Breeze window at the foot of the bed with blackout shades again. TV connections for about a 23 to 32 inch TV could be possibly mounted there. Coming back to the guest bathroom, these are Formica countertops, and this is more of a pressed membrane. It's a hard plastic that's wrapped over the Formica, preventing it from swelling. Porcelain foot flush toilet with a medicine cabinet also for additional storage. Kind of like a double-sided one here. 6'5" ceiling height in the bathroom, and you do have about maybe a 9 to 10 inch step up to get into this two-piece plastic shower, but your guests do in fact have their own full bathroom. Before heading into the front of the coach, all the controls operate all your slide operations and awning operations found inside this nice little trimmed up cabinet here inside the hallway. Slide operations, awning operations, even the fan switch here for the hallway located nicely inside this well organized little cabinet there. Heading up into the bedroom, king size bed with a great amount of walk around space on both sides of the bed. Blackout shades continue with that raised headboard, LED reading lights, and here's another good time for you to check out the sound of these two whisper quiet 15K airs. They really do a great job of just dampening down that sound all the way around. At the foot of the bed, 5 additional pull-out drawers with this nice little hideaway kind of ottoman. There's additional storage in there, or you could use it as a place maybe to sit, kick off your shoes at the end of a long day. Pass-through bathroom on both sides, and here's a good shot of this additional storage found underneath this king-size bed. So great place to store all of your blankets. Washer and dryer connections as well, so you could have that set up for you. Nice big mirror, sliding door for your closet. There's a picture of me. What's up, guys? Coming around to the bathroom, porcelain foot flush toilet, and you're going to have those Formica countertops continued over. Medicine cabinet with additional storage. Ceiling height in the bathroom, again, a 6'5", so you have plenty of room to move about in this solid one-piece fiberglass shower with additional shelving provided. And again, ceiling height inside the bathroom of 6'5", and you're going to have about maybe 3 to 4 inches to step up getting into the shower. Usually at this time of the video is where I stop what I'm doing to go ahead and let out any of the sleeper sofas to show you how much move around space you're going to have, but you already know there's none of those, just the 2 theater seats plus this enormous loft bed up there. Tell me down below, would you consider this possibly a 3-bedroom or just a 2? I'm curious to know what you guys think. If you know of another model that's similar to this, let me know down below too, so I can do a little search and find out more information on that one as well. MSRP at date and time of making the video of $89,020. For pricing and availability, I'll leave a link in the description so you can go back and view more additional photos of this coach as well. Like, subscribe, leave me a thumbs up. Come see us.